Devils should flush. Didn't eat her veggies either.
You there.
Ah, well, if it isn't the shit devil whose turds turn to cement and stick to the bowl. Huh?
We had a deal, did we not? My chest is yours for the fondling. Fondle away. What's the matter? Aren't you exhilarated? Commence your caressing. You are thrice blessed. Which means you've earned the honor of squeezing my chest 3 times.
Why'd I get 3?
Once for safely rescuing my cat. Slaying the Bat Devil got you a second one. And your third is for protecting me, even when Top Knot was interrogating you. I had no intention of letting you do this at first. But I should repay you, yes? Somehow. So squeeze them gratefully.
She's an angel.
Oh, wow! That feels nice.
What's this thing?
'Tis a pad of the bra. Bosoms appear larger when this wondrous item's applied. Come, claim thy second feel! Now, the final fondling! And that's it! Squeezing complete! Was it not the most splendid experience? Stunned by just how fortunate you are? Now 'tis fair to call us even. With Meowie back in my custody, I
There's
have
so
no
much
real
I
cause
could
to
say,
hold
but...
any longer. Yet there is no escaping Makima, which is why I shall continue to help you lot. I'm sure the pleasure is all yours. To bed we go, Meowie, my dearest.
Can you be more specific about the goal that you achieved?
Well, I touched some boobs for the very first time. But it turns out second base is no big whoop.
Listen, Denji. I believe that when it comes to sexual matters, the better you understand your partner, the better you'll feel. But understanding another's heart is easier said than done, so start small. Perhaps with hands. Take your time and carefully study them. How long are their fingers? And their palms? Are they cold? Or are they warm? What's the shape of their ears? Has anyone bitten your finger before? Pay attention. Remember this so that even if you lost your vision, you'd still recognize me, just from how hard I bite. Memorize it.
I think I got it.
Denji, dear. There's a favor I'd like to ask. If that's all right.
Sure. Almost killed me, but I went straight back to the grind. I want a reward.
Oh. If it's a prize you're after, I'll take one for the team. The lucky hunter who sends this devil to its grave wins an amazingly sweet smoocheroo from moi.
What? Unthinkable! That's just wrong! An unmarried woman shouldn't be so lewd!
Why? Rewards boost morale. Who cares if they're lewd? Right?
Yeah, I'll have to pass too. But don't worry, I got plenty of morale.
Huh?
Already got my first kiss in mind, and it ain't with you. She asked me to find these meat chunks or whatever, so that's the plan for now. Once the gun devil's dead and buried, I'll get lots of smoocheroos.
Wow. That is a bold thing to say in front of Aki.
And besides, I learned a lesson I took to heart. When it comes to naughty stuff, it feels way better when it's with someone you know, right? I don't even know your name, so I couldn't be less interested in your lips.
Then, if the winner happens to be you, Denji, your reward will have a little tongue in it.
Hey, slow down! Don't go up on your own! It's dangerous!
So, about that kissing reward.
Huh? Oh, I'm too shy and sober to kiss you right now. But I'll do it when I'm drunker. I'll be sure to make it extra juicy and intense. So please forgive us for trying to feed you to that stupid old devil.
All is forgiven, like majorly, you're good.
Relax, it's fine. Aren't we all friends?
Ooh, I want to know their hobbies too. Those can tell you a lot about a person.
All right, well, I'm Denji, and I'm pretty sure I'm 16. As for hobbies, I like eating and naps.
16? That's young.
What have you been drinking this whole time?
Just tea. Ain't that the same devil Haya captain's pals with?
The Fox Devil is very companionable with humankind. As such, it's formed many contracts with hunters.
Sifta Fox is also a sucker for a pretty face, and it won't let anyone use its head unless it thinks they're super hot. Power of kisses keeps Denji going, so we know he won't die.
Right!
Himeno gets really friendly when she's drunk.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and apart from you greenhorns, I think she's kissed everyone here. There's no escaping her.
Then it's in the bag. Oh my god. Today I am gonna get my first kiss ever.
Kiss?
Miss Makima!
Denji, are you going to kiss somebody?
Oh, hell no!
Shame. You don't want to kiss me anymore?
Hell yeah!
So, who's kissing who now?
I don't want Miss Makima to see me making out with Himeno.
Canoodling is out for you?
But on the other hand, I really want that kiss with tongue just as bad. I'll have to try and change the subject for now. Hey, guess what? I found a chunky thingamabobber and snatched it up!
I heard. Wonderfully done. Keep up the great work, Denji.
You okay?
Oh my.
She's watching. She has a front row seat. Hang on. Is that her tongue I'm feeling? It feels good. It's so soft. What the hell? Her tongue. It's melting in my mouth. Wait, I think that's...
Good stuff. We didn't learn a damn thing about Miss Makima. Like, what even is her deal? But hey, what are you gonna do? What's that?
I need some water.
That's weird. Why is Denji here? This is my place, silly boy. You might be here because I brought you. Not sure.
The room's spinning. The hell's going on?
Sweet Denji. You're crazy about Miss Makima, aren't you?
I'm so dizzy.
You could do 1,000,000 times better than that selfish bitch. Open your eyes. Aki too. Give up and stop fawning over her. Move on. Moo like cows. Wanna do it?
Do what?
Fuck. Stick 'em up. That's right. Good boy.
Should I be doing this? I was supposed to have my first kiss with Miss Makima. But this chick blew chunks all over that. Do I really want my first time to be with her, too? Huh? Yes!
There we go. Your pants. Let's get 'em off, Kay. Huh? You got something in your pocket. A Chupa Chups lollipop. And it's dirty.
Denji. Denji. Hello. Are you okay? Would you like to get some fresh air? I got you nausea medicine from the supermarket. Wash it down with a glass of water before bed.
Tonight, I probably had the shittiest first kiss ever. So even if I kiss a bunch of girls from here on out, will they all taste like vomit?
Open your mouth. I doubt you'll ever forget how that vomit tasted. Don't worry, though. Life comes in a wide variety of flavors. With each passing day, you'll experience different ones. And every new experience will make it that much harder to recall that puke. For example, you just had your first indirect kiss, and it tastes like cola-flavored Chupa Chups.
Pochita, listen. You probably wanted to do that, but I'm sorry. I want Miss Makima to be my first. So sex is gonna have to wait till I kill the gun devil.